Is the Acer Nitro V15 with RTX 4060 the ultimate Fortnite machine under a budget? Can it give you 240 FPS, or will it lag under pressure? Let's test it out with real gameplay. First, these are the specs. Intel Core i5 13th Gen or i7 nvidia RTX 4060 laptop GPU, 16 GB. DDR5 RAM, 144 Hz Full HD display, 512 GB SSD. This is a gaming laptop built to impress on paper. But Fortnite performance, that's what we're here to see. Let's jump into Fortnite. I tested it with 3 different settings. Epic settings, high settings, performance mode on epic. The game runs around 80 to 110 FPS with occasional drops in busy fights. On high, you're hitting a smooth 120 to 140 FPS. But on performance mode, this thing flies past 200 FPS, sometimes touching 240 on less crowded maps. No stutter, no delay, just smooth gameplay. Now, performance is one thing, but how hot does it get? After 30 minutes of gameplay, CPU temps, around 75 to 85 degrees Celsius GPU temps, 70 to 75 degrees Celsius fans. Yes, they're audible, especially in turbo mode, but manageable with a headset. It stays cool enough, which is great for a gaming laptop at this price. But wait, can it compete with a desktop RTX 3060 or PS5 in Fortnite? The answer might surprise you. In performance mode, the Nitro V15 outperforms a base PS5 in frame rate. A desktop 3060 still wins in raw power, but for a laptop, you can carry in your backpack. That's seriously impressive. The Acer Nitro V15 feels solid. It's mostly plastic, but well built. RGB keyboard with WASD highlights, decent key travel, perfect for Fortnite building big touchpad. Though you'll want a gaming mouse for sure ports. HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, and more. So you're all set. Gaming on battery, not recommended. You'll get 1 to 1.5 hours max before it dips. But for browsing, Netflix, or study, around 5 to 6 hours, depending on brightness and background apps. If you want a portable laptop under budget that can dominate Fortnite at high FPS with an RTX 4060, the Acer Nitro V15 is a great pick. It's not a premium machine, but for the price, you're getting a lot. Great FPS, solid thermals, smooth keyboard, and 144 Hz display real performance in competitive games.